girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
To you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord, it's flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, you take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying that in nature. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lays it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato, with Shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a grand reverse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, I believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks, we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face, I don't know your name. It ain't important, baby, cause I'm a close nine.
Fantasy,
Wow.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know me, don't know me. If I keep thinking, baby, it's a don't know me, don't know me. Let me teach you all the sounds of love.
up everyone, it's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for UNiceHair, and today I'm reviewing this pre-cut closure unit from them, and this unit is also pre-plucked. So the hairline is already plucked for you, and all you pretty much have to do when you get this unit is just bleach your knots, wash the hair, and you're pretty much ready to go. So today I just styled this unit in a very simple middle part. I didn't do anything too crazy with it because I really wanted to show you guys like how natural this hairline is. I'm really impressed with the way that they like pre-plucked this hairline. Now, because I did bleach my knots, I did have to correct the center portion here, but it was very quick and easy to, you know, fix that. I did use a Klarna root corrector pen, and I just like dabbed it on that spot just to make sure that the part is a little bit more straight and we fill in the, you know, gap or whatever. Just be mindful of that when you're bleaching the knots on this unit. Just keep that in mind. And all in all, I think it turned out really good. This unit is a pre-cut unit, so the lace is pre-cut. It also comes with a adjustable elastic band in the inside. However, that's the only security that you have with this unit. You don't have the straps in the back. There are some combs. There is one comb in the very back that I have like hooked underneath my braids, but other than that, this unit does not have like any other extra like straps or anything. It's just the elastic band in the unit. And for me, I would prefer that they still keep the adjustable strap in the unit even though they are using the elastic band. For me, I just like all the extra security that I can get when I wear my unit, so that is a preference and something that I would prefer with this unit. But all in all, I really do like the quality of today's hair. I'm very impressed with the way that like UNice is really stepping it up with the quality of their hair, but this is above and beyond what I actually expected from them, and I'm really impressed with the quality, the new quality that they have going on here. Like, this is definitely A1. Beautiful, beautiful unit. So you guys can see what the lace is giving, but I did want to show you guys how amazing this hair flat iron, because I'm just like, yes, like, okay. And I love the fact that I didn't have to add like anything extra. Like, this is one of those units that genuinely speaks for itself, so I didn't want to have to like add all the extras, you know, to try to make it look like something, because it honestly just looks good all by itself. So here is an up close look at my part, you guys. I did use the LA Pro concealer in my part just to perfect it a little bit more, and I did do that off camera, but other than that, this is what the hairline is giving. This is how natural it looked. This is how well it melted, which is why I decided not to like add any baby hairs, because I really do like how natural it looks like already without you having to do that. And it's the fact that they plucked this themselves. I didn't pluck this after they plucked it. I didn't try to do anything to perfect it. This is just how their units are coming. But yeah, they definitely did their thing with this one. I really like how it turned out. It just turned out so good. Like, absolutely love it. They did their thing. And as far as the density, I would say this is probably like 150% density. I don't know if it's anything thicker than that, but if it isn't, I would say to go up in the density with this one, because it is so like bone straight. And I want to say that the color is like jet black too. So if you like that jet black color, you're gonna really like this one. But I'm gonna stand up and do my 360 so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me. And for reference, I am 5'2". So this is where the unit is hitting on me in the front. And I like the fact that the ends are nice and healthy as well. They don't look like too crazy. Love the ends on it. But yeah, absolutely love this unit. Very, very impressed with this unit from UNice. And I just like how silky straight it is. I love the color to it. I love that it doesn't have flyaways. I love how flat it is. I love that it was pre-plucked. I love the pre-cut lace. The only thing for me is the customization. I just want it to be a little bit more snug for me because I do have a smaller head. I tend to need my units like really, really small for me to be satisfied. But for the average person, you know, this is the perfect unit. But other than that, I really do like this unit. I mean, shout out to UNice for sending over this bomb unit. Like, they're definitely like upgrading everything with the company. And I like when I can see a company really trying to put the effort and put the energy into perfecting their brand. And this is definitely one of those companies that I've seen come a long way. I really do like this unit. The density for this one is definitely on the thinner side because it is so bone straight. I would definitely go up in the density, but other than that, you know, I have nothing negative to say about it. I absolutely love it, and I think a lot of you guys are gonna like it as well. So if you want to give it a try and are interested in checking it out for yourself, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, UNiceHair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.